How to get GIFs on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can get GIFs on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your mobile device, and at the bottom you will see various icons there. Click on that Me icon and you will enter to this page. Here you will see sticker gallery. Click on that sticker gallery below my post and you will see various stickers here. Now to find the GIFs, you will have to select the search icon at the top, and on the search bar type GIF. Then click on search at the top. Wait for a while and you'll find various GIF collections. You can also scroll down to find the one you like, or you can click on these collections and enter the specific collection. Once you go to this page, you'll find the specific GIFs based on your search. Now to add them, click on this add button, wait for a while and it will be added to your sticker section. Now to view it, click on this use button and select chats from here. Then you will see various GIFs that you have recently selected. So in this way you can get GIFs on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.